Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a side French braid. So to start off, you're going to need a wax spray or spray gel. I'm using the Redken wax spray, and this really helps to hold the hair in place when you're braiding. So I'm just going to do a deep side part, and then I'm going to create a little triangle part line at the front to grab my 3 strands. I'm going to start with the top strand and cross it over the middle. Then I'm going to go to the other side and cross that one over the middle. And then I'll go back to the top side, cross that over the middle, and then I'm going to pick up a small strand of hair and add it to the middle. Go back to your other side, cross the hair over, and then using my comb, I'm going to pick up a piece of hair and add it to the middle. If you want your braid to look really put together and nice, using a comb to pull up the strands will really help you get those nice part lines in your braid. So if you're taking your time and wanting to do a perfect French braid, I definitely recommend using your comb. And then when you pull the hair, you want to smooth it out and make sure that there's no hair sticking out. And I'm just going to continue doing this down at the diagonal until I start wrapping it around the back. If you're worried that you have some flyaways, just add a little bit more wax spray or spray gel as you're going. If you don't have either of those, you could probably use some hairspray if you'd rather use that. But when you're working with hair, especially if you have fine hair like my daughter, you need something for the hair to cling onto. See right here on the side by her ear, she's got several pieces that are coming out. So if I add a little bit of spray, that's just going to hold that hair in place so much better. Next, when I get to the back, I'm going to start creating some diagonal so that the braid doesn't get away from the head. And then you're just going to continue by braiding all the way down. I hope this is helpful for you guys, and I hope you got some tips for creating a nice French braid. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye!